Most people are disappointed by AI for one simple reason. They ask it a vague question and they get a vague answer. If you type, write me an email, you'll get something generic because you gave it nothing to work with. The quality of what you get back depends almost entirely on what you put in. So here's the shift. Stop treating it like a search box and start treating it like a smart colleague who just walked in and knows nothing about the situation. You wouldn't walk up to a new coworker and say, write me an email. You'd say, here's who it's going to. Here's what's happening. Here's the tone I want. Keep it short. Give the AI that same context. The output changes completely. 3 things to make the biggest difference. First, context. Tell it the situation and who it's for. Second, examples. If you have something you'd like, paste it in and say, match this style. Third, iterate. The first answer is a starting point, not the final word. Tell it what's off. Too formal, cut it in half, add a line about the deadline. It'll adjust itself. You don't need special tricks or magic words. You just need to be specific, the same way you'd brief a capable person that you trust. The people getting the most out of these tools aren't more technical, they're just clearer about what they want. So the next time your answer feels a little flat, don't give up on the tool. Give it more work and ask it again.